Vietnam Air Force, guardians of the skies. With skilled pilots and state-of-the-art equipment, the Vietnamese Air Force stands as a steadfast defender of our nation's skies. From rigorous training exercises to round-the-clock readiness, they proudly uphold peace and security for our homeland. The Su30mk2 aircraft is an upgraded version of the multirole fighter Su-30, produced by the Russian aerospace company Sukhoi, acquired under license and manufactured in Vietnam. The Su30mk2 is a vital component of the Vietnamese People's Air Force. This aircraft is equipped with advanced features such as radar cross-section reduction, long-range target detection and engagement systems, modern weapon control systems, and the capability to carry various types of weapons, from air-to-air missiles to cruise missiles and bombs. The Su30mk2 also has aerial refueling capability, enhancing its range and endurance on the battlefield. With its versatility in combat missions, the Su30mk2 has demonstrated high performance in training exercises and executing various tasks including territorial defense and combat support for the Vietnamese military. It plays a crucial role in ensuring national security and defense, being a significant asset in Vietnam's military strength. The MiG-21, also known as the Fished by NATO designation, is one of the legendary fighter jets from the Soviet Union and has become an icon of the Vietnamese Air Force. Introduced into the inventory of the People's Air Force of Vietnam since the 1960s, the MiG-21 has demonstrated its strength and versatility in various combat missions. Characterized by its high speed, agility, and simplistic design, the MiG-21 is remarkably effective. With its short to medium range combat capabilities, it is suitable for air defense and support for ground attack missions. Equipped with a variety of weapons including cruise missiles and air-to-air missiles, Vietnam's MiG-21 fleet has played a significant role in national defense campaigns and territorial protection. Despite the introduction of numerous upgraded versions and replacements, the MiG-21 continues to serve in Vietnam's military aviation, showcasing its resilience and flexibility in diverse combat situations. It stands as a symbol of the determination and bravery of the Vietnamese Air Force in defending the nation's sovereignty.